The baseline is the value or set of values used for the purpose of comparison to establish the status of the compared aspect. A car is driven on a highway at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. Is the car going fast or slow or just at the right speed? What is needed to answer this question? The speed limit of the highway, if known, can provide that answer. The speed limit is the baseline against which the speed is checked to say if the car is going fast, slow, or just about at the right speed. The same concept applies to projects. Is the project over budget, under budget, or spending money as expected? The cost baseline will help establish the cost status of the project. Same way, is the project ahead of schedule, behind schedule, or at the expected rate of progress? This can be established by looking at the schedule baseline. And when it comes to checking the scope baseline provides that information. These three baselines, scope, schedule, and cost, are used for establishing the status of a project. The speed limit of the highway, the baseline, is government approved and will only be changed if the change is also approved by an appropriate governmental authority. Similarly, the project baselines are sponsor or customer or management approved and will only be modified if a change is approved by the Project Change Control Board or the sponsor. A project cannot be tracked without a baseline because there is nothing to compare against the actual progress.